And what's up friends, there I am comes with another unboxing. Today I am going to show you a new pair of new shoes from Flipkart that I ordered. There it is. This is Adidas Run80s shoes. It costs almost 4,000 rupees and I bought it from Flipkart. It's a prepaid product, obviously. Just open the box. This is the main Adidas box. This back side. Look at the box. The box isn't in a very good condition. The box is in very bad condition. If you see, there was some kind of seal given the torn the box, but the color of the box is very good. Let's open the box. I just moved the camera on this side. Okay, let's open it. Wow, look at the color of the shoes. That is awesome, man. That's it, awesome. The color, this is actually made of foam. This is not a cushion, this is actually made of foam. This is the Adidas. The grip was very tight. It's small grips but very tight grips. There is some Adidas branding inside it. This Adidas branding is here. The color was very nice. There's another pair. This is another pair. Very good shoes. Look at that pairs. Very good pairs of shoes. And as I said that this is a very good grip. If you see, I can't push it back because of this grip. Grip was really outstanding grip, and I am a big fan of Adidas, and these shoes are just mind blowing. So this is the pair of shoes, Run80s, Adidas Run80s. You can bought it from Flipkart. Very nice shoes, very quality shoes, and color rich, premium. Heads up to Adidas and his like.